Let's check out my new camping travel pack first. Loaded up with a few more things. Headphones, my keys. One thing I like about this bag is there are tons of pockets everywhere, and I will show that to you in the unboxing. But first, let's just go for a hike. All right, come on. All right, this is a pretty cool and versatile backpack. It's a little thicker, actually a lot thicker than I was expecting, because at this price point, this is the 15 liter size. At this price point, I was thinking it'd be a little bit thinner. It's not, it's pretty thick. It's gonna hold up really well. Tons of pockets. I love this little feature here that slides up and down and it stays where it's supposed to be. That's really cool. But yeah, I'll unbox it for you so you can see exactly how many pockets and how many features this got. But it's really nice, very affordable. This was sent to me by the company for a review. This is my review. I'm taking this to Switzerland at the end of the month, and it's gonna be perfect. This is a big upgrade over my previous travel bag. It's for that little bag that you can just travel and throw with and like take out on little day trips and stuff. And it really is quite helpful. So anyway, hope that helps. Take care, bye. Come on, Daphne.